In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Genspark slide deck to PowerPoint. First, open Genspark and either create a new slide presentation or open the one you've already been working on. If you're starting fresh, give your presentation a clear name so it's easy to find later. If you're opening an existing deck, confirm you're in the correct project or workspace so you don't accidentally export the wrong file. Take a moment to let autosave catch up if you've just made changes. Next, review every slide and make any final edits. Read your text out loud to catch typos, check alignment and spacing, and make sure your fonts and colors are consistent. Replace any low resolution images with sharper versions and confirm that charts and icons are legible. If you use animations or transitions, keep them simple. Complex effects may not behave the same way once exported. Add or refine speaker notes if you plan to present with them in PowerPoint. When you're ready, look for the export or download option in the Genspark Slides interface. It's often at the top of the screen or under a file or menu button. If you're on a smaller display, it might be tucked into a 3-dot or drop-down menu. Click that option to open the export panel. Choose PowerPoint or PPT as your file format. If you see both PPT and PPTX, select PPTX for the best compatibility with modern versions of PowerPoint. Some export dialogues let you include speaker notes, choose a slide range, or adjust image quality. Pick the settings that match your needs. Higher quality means a larger file, which is usually best for presenting. Start the export process. Genspark will convert your slides, and this can take a moment, especially for longer decks or media-heavy slides. Keep the tab open and avoid navigating away until the export finishes. You may see a progress bar or a prompt when it's ready. Download the PowerPoint file to your device. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a familiar folder and name the file clearly. If it downloads automatically, you'll typically find it in your Downloads folder. Finally, open the file in PowerPoint and verify that everything exported correctly. Go slide by slide to check layouts, fonts, and image quality. Test animations and transitions. Click through hyperlinks and play any embedded media. Run the slideshow to confirm timing and overall flow. If something doesn't look right, make the quick fix directly in PowerPoint or return to Genspark, adjust the slide, and export again. Save your PowerPoint, and you're ready to present.